Hello everyone and welcome back. So what I'll be talking today to you all about is, do you have a foolproof plan for success in 2025? Today I'll be focusing entirely on something which would help you if you really focus on that 9 points, which is going to be a foolproof master plan if you really want to achieve success in 2025. These 9 points can make you achieve your dreams if you are serious about it. Now, here's the point. Most of us, they want a plan, they listen to a plan, they write a plan. But how many of us really succeed in it? Because what we are doing, what we are trying to do is pick some points out of those plans and just implement those. Now, you tell me, how will that work? One of my clients asked me why my plan is not working. And I told them, if you practice one part of it, how will it work for you? So the whole part of the plan, the whole points, what I'm going to be discussing, the whole totality of the plan will only work if you're doing each one of them one by one. Okay, so please pay attention till the end of the video. Those 9 points are massively important if you're serious to achieve some success in your life regarding any areas of your life in 2025. You also will learn a lot about how these things work. So this is a foolproof plan for you all. And if you really take it as a challenge, you can write it in the comment section how you're doing and did you do your plan or not, or are you following all the 9 foolproof points or not in the master plan. Okay, so before I do all that, I welcome you all again to my channel, and please do subscribe to my channel, because I'll be sharing so many techniques and tips which I've shared it with my clients and they have seen great successes, and I'm here to give or add value into your lives where you can see some of the techniques and start applying it right away so that you can start to seeing the results you're hoping for. So that's my aim for this channel. And do comment below if you want to see something else, or if you have a topic in mind you want to discuss. I'll be more than happy to take up that topic for you all. All right, so let's get started. So what we are talking here, we are talking about a foolproof plan which would work no matter what if you follow it to the end, right? If you follow all the 9 points, there is no doubt in my mind that it will not work for you. Okay, so we all have goals and we might have multiple goals, which is also fine, but I would suggest you keep it to either 2 or 3 goals. Just work on them simultaneously, because you don't have to work on so many goals of yours and we are not sure how to achieve them. Of course, we get confused. What are we doing, especially if you're working, if you're into business? So the things can get a little bit confusing, right? So our aspirations, whether our landing our dream job or doing something side gig, it all becomes very fade, right? You start to feel that probably you'll not be able to achieve all those things, or healthier life, successful business, and so on and so forth, whatever you are heading for, right? And we feel stuck because if we don't have a proper guidance how we can achieve our results, we feel stuck. We don't know how to go about them. We follow some instructions aimlessly. Of course, we all do that, and never quite reaching to our full potential. So we don't know where we are lacking and where we are unnecessarily doing more, right? So that's what we end up having. So having a plan for a success is a crucial, but also that success plan has to be foolproof, or that success plan has to be so powerful that you are able to implement it to the last point. Okay, so that is also very, very important. So now we have understood that how important is for all of us to have a crucial, successful plan with us, because that plays a vital role when we are trying to achieve something, and we all want to achieve something in 2025. Then you should listen to it very, very carefully. All right. So 9-point master foolproof plan. So what is that? So write down if you want to, or you can just watch this video as many times you want to, but you have to follow all the 9 points. Please don't leave out on something and then you would say, why I'm not getting my results. Okay, so there's a little bit of recommendation over there. So number 1 is top momentum building techniques. So you start with something which is very helpful to you where you can build your momentum, okay, to do something, which probably you can start to look into any of the techniques you like, or you can watch my videos. So definitely work with your momentum first. Number 2, create a reliable network on the weekly basis. Just there are so many free groups or networks which you can join, and keep doing it for at least 3 months, and you'll start to see the results, because you're forming a network or relationships if you're trying to achieve your results, or if you're trying to achieve your goal in 2025. Set clear goals, like only top 3. Please don't write 10 goals right now if you're working with me. Just write just 3 goals is good enough to work with. Most likely what I want, if you can focus on just one goal at a time, that would be really good. But if you're thinking of doing multiple, don't go beyond 3 for sure. Be fearless. Yes, come on, show me your confidence. Write fearless in the comments. Be fearless and start taking risk. Even if it fails, that's fine. It's okay. At least you tried, right? So build that confidence. Oh wow, I'm trying so many things. I'm doing so much, correct? So be fearless. Manage your time. Now here it's very important. Now when you're doing so many things together, so I really want you to follow a planner and do a little bit of time management, which are your high priorities, which are your medium priorities, and which are your low priorities. Be very careful with that, okay? Cannot miss out any of these steps. I keep repeating that, all right? The next one is manage your finances wisely. Now, while you're doing all this, I really wanted to focus a little bit on your finances as well. If you're already managing them well, great, no worries. You can skip this step, but if you're not, just pay attention to, let's say, start with the saving part of it, right? So if you're saving like $10, or if you're saving $100 or $1,000 or $5,000, just add a little bit to it, like another 100, another 200, something of that nature. Just start doing it. Or something you're planning to buy, just hold on to it and you can save some money first. So I always recommend my clients to start with the saving, because that helps a lot to reprogram your mind in the right format when you're trying to achieve something. So saving gives you a lot of boost and confidence if you start doing it, okay? The next one is work on your focus. Now, if you have an issues where you cannot have a focus, or you cannot concentrate for longer times, then I want you to do some techniques. It could be a breathing technique, whichever works for you. You can see it in some of my videos. So start focusing on really working with your focus where it doesn't get distracted, okay? So you can put your phone down for 20 minutes and see how your mind works, or something of that nature. I usually recommend that stop, like during the day for 1 hour, you can stop using your phone and see how it works for you, okay? And the next one, the 8th one, write down something. Don't forget how to write. Just keep writing something. I'm a big advocate of saying that. Please stop, not always be on the social media and not writing things. Please start writing something with your hands, because it's very, very important. When you do that, you are aligning your mind, your hand, of course, and your subconscious mind when you're trying to write down something. So just write something every day, hopefully, and I'm expecting it could be positive in nature, okay? So please do that. Start writing it right away. Read books. So whichever is your favorite book, and even if you have read it 10 times earlier, try it again. That really helps to get you back to your success foolproof plan, which I'm talking about, the master plan, the 9 points. It really, I can tell your mindset something you've already read, but you will always find something new while you're reading in your book. So I hope these 9 master foolproof plan is going to help you a lot in achieving your goals in 2025. And I shall see you in my next video. Hope you all have a wonderful